exhaust leak.
Alright. Hopefully we can fix this exhaust leak today. I just need fucking welding helmet, gloves, and bullshit. I can't see it. It's too bright. I can't see it, so I need the helmet. Yeah, sunglasses don't do it. So yeah, I'll pick this shit back up when we get to the store. Alright. At Harbor Freight to pick up these supplies. Yep, definitely gonna need one of these. These soft as shit. Airbrush. Yeah. Go. Should do it. Yeah, no, we're gonna go with this instead. Yep. In the basket. Back here. Is this auto darkening? It is. Anything else I need while I'm here? I think I'm good. Yeah, I'm straight. Alright, we got the shit. Oh. There we go. Carry the shit over to the truck. My hood is fucking popped open. Gotta fix that. It's nasty work. Alright. Guess I don't close all the way. There we go. Straight. Got a free screwdriver, even though I just fucking bought one. Literally, yesterday or the day before that. Got this shit. Clean up the slag. Got this one, burn my fucking hands. And then obviously, you already know, 60, but you're looking at 60 bones right now. Crazy work. I need to go get a fucking tripod, so off to Target we go. This shit is just crazy. Oh. Phone casing and shit. Chargers. I stopped filming there because they're playing music and shit, but we got this fucking expensive ass tripod. Fucking taxing. I probably should have grabbed that shit off Amazon, but fuck it. Let's get this fucking shit home. Try to weld up this exhaust. Before we do that, I kind of want to see. Does this go into from a single into a double pipe? With the muffler. Let's fucking see. Oh yeah, it does. A single. Shit. Into a double. Ah, fuck. My fucking head on the bed, bro. Yeah, that leaves some fucking shit to be desired, bro. Alright, got the fucking tripod. Come on. fucking Range Rover. Should be straight. Fucking take this bitch. Come on, man, before you get rattled. There's a Krispy Kreme like down the street, bro. I might capitalize on that. Not gonna lie. Might need to capitalize just a wee bit. I already spent like fucking too much. I think I turn right. Yeah. Shit. Oh, I think I just missed a fucking turn for that. Yeah, I did. Fuck it. Go into the crib. Fuck it. I don't even care. I mean, Dylan's aren't even that healthy in the morning anyway. Alright, well, yeah. Fuck it, we'll give you a nice little pull of this exhaust leak. Pick up the camera when I get back to the crib because this is gonna get me pulled over 100%. Like, definitely get me pulled over. So, yeah. Alright, back. It's been a few hours, let the exhaust cool down. As you can see, I don't know where this shit is even gonna, like what the fuck? Yeah, so I'm gonna figure out where this is gonna sit before I weld that on there. If you can even call that welding. And yeah, be back when it's like not fucked. Alright. Let me show you progress. I've whatever that's called on that side, and I've tacked this side so it holds enough. Let's see. It's still yeah, a little but trying to figure out, yeah, it wants to like lean that way. I don't want it to lean that way. Maybe like just instead of having this right here, instead of having that up there, maybe if I do something like that. Oh, yeah, found a opening. Nope. I don't think it's big enough. That's the hole I'm trying to get it in. Yeah, I can. Bring it around and get right here. Yep, got it there. Yes, sir. All right, got it routed pretty much where I want it. It's not on that brake line anymore. There's one line that's like braided. Oh, is that the fuel line? Oh yeah. Let's see. No, it's coming from the brakes up, and it's kind of just resting on it, but it's made out of metal, so maybe zip tie this like over here. That. Yeah, maybe like zip tie like that. Keep it off of it for right now. Try to figure it out. Really. That's the roller. It's a 125. Doesn't have the gas hole for it because it can't be gas. It's only gas, electric. All right. So how am I gonna get it to? So, oh, it's an SLT. It's SLP. That's the muffler you got. Well, it's not OEM, so it should sound good. Okay. Should sound good. See? Onto this. Alright. Here's where we're at right now. I got this basically glued on with, yes, welds, I guess you could call that, maybe. So when it's done, I'll start it and we'll see what it sounds like. Weld that on. Let's give it a start. As you can see, it's raining. The truck does sound better, but not like...
At the next light, turn right.
Not astronomically better. Like, it's not like a huge difference. Like, it definitely is quieter inside, because the exhaust isn't just dumping under the bed. Well, it kind of is, but you know what I mean. Like, it's not just like open fucking muffler and then pipe on the side, you know. It's actually like all together. But it's still kind of running a little weird and still throwing like a check engine light for, I think, like misfires. So
at the light,
after I help my homie
right onto Ashby Road.
Yeah, I'm definitely try to change that. Even though it's raining, I'm probably just gonna go back to this spot from the first video because it's covered and replace those spark plugs, because I don't know when the last time they were changing. Like I said, I think in the other video, it's been sitting for 8 months. So yeah, oil change, tune up, just to be safe. Like, I don't know why I would be doing that, but yeah.
At the next.
All right. So what we're gonna be using, it's the part number. It's a fuck. This shit is fucking juking me out, bro. Like, what the fuck? You bitch. All right, back. I did the driver's side already. I'll take one of these out. Yeah, I don't think he did these because... Go ahead. Oh, fuck. Go ahead. Look at that. Let me pull out a new one here. Compare the new one to the old one. Yeah, I don't know about you, but yeah, this one definitely has more of this electrode. I think that's what it's called down there. So, yep, I'm gonna replace those. Let me see. Might as well prop you. Literally just out here with it, bro. It's crazy. There we go. Find the angles and shit. Oh fuck. You know that wind that comes like right before it rains and shit? Yeah. The wind is winding right now, so get that off. Trying to knock the fucking camera. Oh, bitch. Oh, Mr. Spark Plug. Wait. Yeah, okay. I'm on a different side of the engine, so I'm like, whoa. Okay. So when I get it like loose, I just fucking take this part off, the extension in the socket, and I just fucking hand this bitch. Cause like it's so much more efficient.
just like that. We got a nice old dirty spark plug. And I'm gonna bring them out here because I'm a dickhead. I left them in the car. I think I feel the spritz of the fucking rain too, bro. Oh yeah. I mean, it's under the hood, but still. And same shit, when I put it in, I tighten this. Alright, use the socket and the extension. And just spin it that way. And then it stops. So what I do, put my ratchet on. And like ever so slightly, just like turn it, you know, make sure that it's tight. But I'm not like torquing it down. Like it really just hand tight. On there. On to the next. Push the heat shield in. Pull that out. This. Oh fuck. Sock the shit out of you. Down. Some more out of the way. Of course it's like directly being blocked by this shit. Let me see. I'll take that off. Oh well. You can see what I'm doing. Fuck it. Alright. So this side is definitely easier to reach. Another one. Fuck. Out with the old, in with the new. Again, just twisting my hand. Checking my surroundings, you know. It's tight. I'm gonna fucking look around like a baboon for my socket. There we go. And then just like it moved a little bit more, but not like a lot. Like you're not like torquing it, you're just making sure that it's like snug and not like gonna be loose. Just like that. Push that in. Good to go. Push the heat shield up. Push the heat shield in. Got a little silver part. Yank that out. Oh fuck. Yeah, that wind is definitely winding right now. Oh, this one I might have to take this extension off. Fuck. Like I was saying, might have to take this extension off for this one. Yeah. Same process for the 4.8, 5.3, and the 6.0. If you are doing this, I highly recommend extensions, like all of them, because as you can see, I'm changing sizes as I go. So don't just think you're gonna get one and that's just gonna do it. That's not the fucking case. I'm like, fuck. I'm like looking at that back one, like, fuck. On my fucking tippy toes, and this bitch is lowered, so. Should paint the picture for you. Come on, bitch. There we go. Now it's threading in. A little bit more to snug it down. And make sure that heat shield is down. Good to go. Okay. So now, ooh, that wind is picking up. Okay, so this one I might not even be able to get the extension in there. So first. Whoa, fucking attack angle. Oh wait, I might be able to go under this bitch actually. Yeah, no, I'm lazy. I don't feel like taking that part off. Ugh. So we're just gonna try to. Got that out. And just gotta fuck it. This back one, man. I did the same shit on my Tahoe, bro. This shit is fucking like you can't even see that shit. Like I gotta fucking feel around. Go. Keep the fucking socket on there. Fuck it. It looks like it's fucking twisting off. Fucking sliding down the side and shit. It's fucking back in there. why I save this one for last. The fucking reason. This shit on here. I don't have to take that fucking. You just socket by itself, like, fuck. Well, you get the fucking picture. Oh wait, no, it's spinning. Never mind. Forget what I said. It's gonna fucking cut. This shit's already fucking long as hell. There we go. Get that bitch out. Looks just as shitty as the other ones. Can't even get a fucking leverage on this shit because the fucking heat shield. Fuck it. Spin this bitch without even being in. Dumbass fucking spark plug, bro. This shit always takes like 20 minutes by itself just to fucking put in. And I'm not making it better by not having the heat shield in. Oh, motherfucker, go in. Yeah, fuck that. I'll be back when this shit is like ready to start. Alright, this was the socket I was using for the spark plugs. In case you wanna know that. I did say I was gonna come back when we're ready to we're ready to start, but it was important I show you this. Just a 10. Back of that, back of the alternator. That shit was in the way, as you can see. little cover back on there. So like that. These are also 10s that hold this bracket. This is the side of the alternator. Start that. You know? I'm feeling the spritz. Like it's no more wind. It's just like straight fucking fuck, bro. Fucking dropping this shit. Hold it with 2 hands for safety. There we go. Fuck. Damn. I'm a dickhead. This shit is supposed to hold this. Fuck. You know what? I'm like fucking around. Come on. Come on. I think I fucking broke that shit anyway. No, it's good. Never mind. I say like start the bolts or whatever. Before you do that, but I don't really give a fuck. It's starting to spritz, man. You know what comes after that? All right. Where's the key? Before I turn it on, I want to clear the code. It's like a cheap little Amazon or AutoZone. Let's give her a... Oh. That noise is probably the fact that this is what's holding this up. So, yeah. And there's probably like leaks coming out of my exhaust because, you know, my welds are fucking trash. So, yeah. Is the other lights on again? On their own and shit? Yeah. Yeah, I don't know, man. The way he wired this shit, like, you clearly see it's off, but it's like you hit this shit, you fucking start hitting cheat codes in this bitch. And it fucking turns off, bro. Like, I couldn't fucking tell you. I probably should have did the wires too, but I don't know. Nope. Yeah, so it's probably the wires. Fuck it. I mean, just did all that for nothing then. Yay. Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna throw these on, and hopefully this is the issue, because those spark plugs look pretty old, so obviously the wires are too. And there you go. Part number. Nice. All right. The fuck I put that. All right. Old plugs and wires, new plugs and wires in the truck. Codes cleared. Fire in the hole. It's definitely leaking from like the headers or some shit. That is, that's probably an exhaust tip, that's or exhaust piece. It's just shaking the fuck around. It's not a little bit of could be the coil packs. And that's the only thing I could think of next that didn't replace. It's worth a try. Definitely not doing that shit today though. That's all for this video. Working on this dumbass truck. Yay! You know how I said I was done working on this dumbass truck today? I lied. It's throwing a code for this, and as you can see, this is what it's supposed to look like. And there's nothing there. It fell in the tank. So what we're gonna do, slap this bitch in. Place like that. Put that in. Convenient hole cut in the bed, by the way. I didn't do that. In, it's on. guess I'm dropping the tank one of these fucking days. Here, I really hope that this thing acts right. That's nasty, dude. It's not throwing a code for that anymore. Okay. I mean, I think I'm going to just drive it away. Maybe that'll fix the issue, I guess. I'm thinking that's an exhaust system. Let me see. Let me do this real quick. It's not coming from that because I just held that up and I'm still making noise. It's like coming from like these headers. Let's give this thing a drive. No lights on the dash, so I fixed that fucking whatever the fuck. Definitely seems to be a little bit peppier. Oh, flash and check engine light. Okay, so the other code, the P0452, is gone because I replaced that sensor just now that snapped. It was bad. This is popping up, so let me look this up and I'll come right back. I think it's 02 though, but we'll see.